So I got the GoPro Hero 7 Black, skipped the 8, and now the 9 is out and it looks awesome. I haven't pulled the trigger yet, and I'll tell you why in this video, coming right up. Thanks for visiting Sid's Tips. Yes, I am not sure if I'm ready to pull the trigger yet on the GoPro Hero 9. And the reason why is I am in a Facebook group for other GoPro users, and I am reading a lot of comments that people are not happy with some of the bounciness, some software issues, and in fact some people are sending theirs back and said stick with the 7. So one, are you also on edge to decide if you're going to upgrade to go from the 7 to the 9? And if you have, and you have gotten from the 7 to the 9, are you happy with the purchase? Any feedback that you have? One of the other things too, which is disappointing, but it wouldn't hold me back from getting the 9, is the media mod. So I've seen some people asking questions about that, and I have to tell you from some of the samples, and people said it was disappointing on the 8. It does not sound good, really, compared to the audio coming from the GoPro Hero 9 at all. So that's disappointing. So you could still use an external microphone. You can get a cage. The other thing too, which I wish GoPro would have done with this company, this microphone that I use, and I'll put a link to it. It is a great little wireless microphone. I stitch up my audio. I use this with my Canon M50, which I'm shooting this video with. And also I've used it as well with my GoPro Hero 7 audio. And so I'd probably do that, but hopefully in the future they'll improve on the media mod because it is disappointing. I've got a small little light that I can attach. I was thinking about getting the light mod, but so what it really comes down to is the camera ready? Are the bugs out of the camera? So it sounds like there are still issues, but then I also see some people saying it's fine. So maybe it's a hit or miss. Maybe it's some cameras that have that issue. Maybe some are fine, but I'd be curious to see what your experience has been and if you are going to upgrade from the 7 to 9. So I've got a lot of thinking to do here still and see what people have to say. But at some point I will look forward to doing some other videos and share with you with my experience. And then I'll be selling this GoPro Hero 7 and find a new home for it. So let me know what you think. Thanks so much for visiting. Have a great day, and look forward to giving you an update. Take care.